popping out that I experienced yesterday. The car has literally just been pulled out, completely cold, into fourth gear for the first time. As you can see, I'm in fourth at the moment, no problems when it's nice and slow, gradual. What I found yesterday was it was popping out basically as you lift off in fourth and then come back on the power in fourth. And we'll see if it does the same thing today. Basically stone cold. Now moving up to fourth. Back off the power, back onto fourth. And there we go, immediately it's locked out. Go back into fourth. On the power, locks out immediately. Don't think there's probably not much more I need to record. But I can go into third, cross into fifth, on the power in fifth, off the power in fifth, on the power in fifth. No similar issues. Might try and do another run in a second on a second clip, just showing you fourth gear popping out. Like I say, sorry, you can go into fourth gear, keep on the power up into fifth, no problems at all. But it's that lift off and then back on the power that's making it pop out. Real shame. I love this car. Right, let's give it a go. Right, we're in fourth. That locks out. We'll try it in third. On the power. Fourth, not lifting. In fact, actually now it's done. Now it's popped straight out. So it's actually worse than it was yesterday. Okay, I think that's the end of the footage, nothing more to see. Good job, the road's nice and quiet today.